Welcome to Design Your Gift. It seems everybody loves the creativity of making beaded jewelry for themselves or as gifts for friends. It's something fun to do during those stay-at-home times or just a relaxing break from everyday stress. It's also a great way to entertain the kids when they don't know what to do. Hi, I'm Sue with Design Your Gift. I'm here to help you with another short video so you can have fun making beaded jewelry at home too. Previously, we've talked about tools, supplies, and beads. Today, we're going to cover findings which you will be using for making bracelets and necklaces. The first thing that you definitely need are called crimps. They're tiny little metallic tubes that secure your beads from falling off of your flex wire. And after you've finished making the crimps, you'll cover them with a little crimp cover, which makes it look like a nice little bead. This little container has about 100 little crimps in it. So you see how small they are. But they're really not that hard to use, and I'll be showing you how to do that in the future. Another thing you'll want, most likely, are daisies. They kind of look like little flat flowers, and they are used for spacers or other purposes, which we will cover. They come in silvers and coppers and golds in assorted sizes. Some of the other things you'll be using are spacers. They're metallic, and they come in a huge variety of different styles and colors. There's just unlimited spacers available. Anything you can think of and everything you can't think of is available. You would use the findings as spacers in making some of your jewelry. It's not a requirement, but it is something that adds some interest to the jewelry that you're making. You can see that findings come in all sorts of teeny tiny little sizes to medium size. And again, in the copper, gold, and silver tones. Sometimes you will even use little beads as spacers in all different sizes and shapes. Another thing that you definitely are going to be needing are clasps. Now I'm showing you a very large clasp, but they come in all different kinds of styles. These are called toggles, and they go on the end of your necklace or your bracelet so that you can slide it through and secure your necklace. There's many different kinds of clasps. This one is called a lobster claw. This is a very large lobster claw, but it's easier to show you how it works. You just slip it off and slip it on the ring. There are box clasps, which have a nice little slide out. Slide it out, slide it in. There are magnets. Magnets can be very plain or very fancy, like this jeweled magnet. They're easy for somebody who has difficulty managing some of the other kinds of clasps, but they are not a good use for all different types of jewelry. If you have heavy stones or heavy beads, you'll probably not want to use a magnet. Some other things that you might get are little pendants. They can be in metallic or stone, and you can even make your own. Something else to get are jump rings. You'll be using these in a variety of sizes and purposes in the future, and I will be showing you when we come to those how you need to work with those. Next time we'll cover how to make a stretchy bracelet. You can actually get started making some jewelry. So see you soon and have a fantastic day. Thanks. Bye for now.